Hark, friends! September 1st will soon be upon us. Bring your manners to work day arrives. This merry day presents a golden opportunity to spread civility and respect throughout our office. Though manners seem a quaint notion in the modern rat race, ensuring courteous conduct between coworkers fosters positivity and productivity. Shall we pledge to make this the most genteel, cordial workplace around? Fantastic! Allow me to share tips on celebrating with decorum. First and foremost, let us dress to impress. Forgo frumpy pajamas and embrace professional attire. When you look sharp, you'll act the part too. Take pride in your appearance, for yourself and colleagues. When you enter the office, greet your coworkers with enthusiasm. A robust, top of the morning, Jennifer, or cheerful, happy Wednesday, Alex, sets a tone of camaraderie. Make eye contact and smile warmly at your fellow workforce family. While working, remain fully present. Avoid gazing endlessly at phones when others are speaking. Providing your undivided attention shows respect. Listen thoughtfully, offer remarks, and build rapport. In meetings, encourage all voices before decisions are made. Though senior staff provide guidance, input from each role is equally valuable. Hear all ideas with patience and understanding. Chivalry need not perish in the modern day. Open doors, offer your seat, help with heavy packages. Small acts of courtesy still make a big difference. When printer jams or tech issues strike, keep calm and carry on. Avoid grumbles and frustration. Approach every problem with patience and graceful collaboration. As quitting time nears, take 5 minutes to tidy up. Wash used mugs, file papers, empty trash bins. Leaving your space clean for others is common decency. Departing for home, wish coworkers a pleasant evening of rest ahead of another diligent day's work tomorrow. Our team succeeds through such daily encouragement. And let us not forget to express gratitude to leadership. A quick thanks to the boss lifts the spirits of supervisor and staff alike. There you have it, comrades. Heed these tips to make Bring Your Manners to Work Day 2023 our most cordial yet. United by considerate conduct, we can do great things.